Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix games running badly on your HP Pavilion 15. If games are running badly on this laptop, then there is a simple way to fix it. If it won't work, then it's just that maybe this game requires too much, but very oftenly you can just fix a setting that will help you. So let's go to the start, then go to settings, and now when you go to the system and find display, then you can just go to the graphics, and here you'll select your game. If it's not listed there, then you can click on add desktop app and find the app on your local disk, then either program files or program files x86. Like find the actual folder of the game or whatever, then find the application file and you can add it here. And then I'm gonna change it for camera, but you most probably don't need good performance in camera app. It's just that this is my example. So click on the down arrow after the game is added here, and you can change the GPU preference to high performance. Then it may help you a lot with the actual performance in games. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.